Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best folder dividers with pockets available on the market, the Forvencer 8-count dividers with 2 pockets. If you're someone who likes to stay organized, whether it's for school, work, or personal projects, this set of binder dividers is designed to keep your documents neat, accessible, and well categorized. The Forvencer divider set comes with 8 durable dividers, each featuring a vibrant multicolor design that makes it easy to visually separate your subjects or categories. The dividers are made from high-quality PVC material, which ensures they are tear-resistant and sturdy enough to handle frequent use over time. This durability is essential because it means your important documents remain protected and the dividers hold up without bending or cracking. One of the standout features of this set is the inclusion of 2-sided slash pockets on each divider. These pockets provide convenient storage for loose papers, assignments, receipts, or any 8.5 by 11-inch documents you want to keep safe and within reach. Having pockets on both the front and back of each tab means you get double the storage space without adding bulk to your binder. It's a practical solution that helps you avoid loose papers falling out or getting mixed up. The dividers come pre-punched with 3 holes to fit perfectly into any standard 3-ring binder. This makes setup quick and easy, whether you're organizing a school notebook, a work binder, or even a home project folder. The 8 tabs are pre-labeled with clear, easy-to-read categories, so you can immediately start organizing without extra effort. And if you prefer, these labels are writable, allowing you to customize them according to your needs. The colorful tabs are designed not just for function but for style, offering a bright and clean way to keep your binder visually appealing. Color coding can significantly improve your efficiency by helping you find the section you need in seconds. This makes the Forvencer dividers an excellent choice for busy environments like classrooms or offices where quick access to information is crucial. Measuring 8.5 by 11 inches, the dividers fit perfectly with standard letter-sized papers and documents. At just 6.7 ounces, the set is lightweight yet highly functional, adding minimal weight to your binder while maximizing organization. Overall, the Forvencer 8-count dividers with 2 pockets offer a smart, durable, and colorful way to keep your papers sorted and easily accessible. Whether you're a student, professional, or someone who simply enjoys neatness, these dividers are an ideal pick. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful reviews on the best products out there.